A series RLC circuit consists of resistance is equal to 3 ohm, inductance L is equal to 2 millihenry, and capacitance is equal to 0.4 microfarad. Determine the resonant frequency. Now this question is given for 5 marks, but it will not even take even 1 minute to solve it if you know the formula of resonant frequency. So at least if we know what is resonance, we can solve this easily. The resonance is the case when the circuit behaves as if it is a resistive network. Or we can say that in this condition XL will be equal to XC. So both will cancel out and the circuit remains as if it is only consisting of only a resistor. So let us draw a circuit diagram. So this is series RLC network or circuit, and we know the impedance is what? Impedance is R plus J XL minus XC or R plus JXL minus JXC. And we know in the case of resonance, circuit behaves resistive, so Z will be equal only to R at resonance. So as circuit becomes resistive, we can say that this part, that is JXL minus XC, will be equal to 0. So let's expand it. So if we can send 1 to left hand side, so XL is equal to XC. Now let us write XL and XC in terms of frequency or omega. We know XL is equal to omega L and we know XC is equal to 1 by omega C. Therefore omega square is equal to 1 by LC and omega will be equal to 1 by under root LC radians per second. This is angular frequency. Now we know that if we want frequency, we know frequency is an angular frequency relation, that is omega is equal to 2 pi f. Now let us substitute omega is equal to 2 pi f here. So we'll get f is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. So as this is a resonant condition, we can denote a suffix near f. To f we can apply a suffix of r. In some textbook f naught will be given. In some textbook fc will also given. C represents cutoff frequency also. So you can apply any suffix. I am using f suffix r, that is r resembling, that is the case of resonance condition. So this is our resonant frequency. Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC hertz. Don't miss to write units. Now let us directly substitute and get our result like this. And please note that milli means 10 power minus 3 and micro means 10 power minus 6. So let us substitute and solve in calculator. So when we solve, we are getting 5626.97 hertz. So approximately equal to 5627 hertz or 5.627 kilohertz also we can say. So this is our resonant frequency. So if you remember this formula applies to series RLC circuit as well as parallel RLC circuit. For both, this formula applies the same. So if you have knew earlier this formula, it will not even take 10 to 15 seconds to solve this question. Okay, thank you.